bit stronger.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. And in today's episode, I'm decorating my tier tray for spring. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around.
Beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. But I'm not no other, so why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Oh, wish I could keep you a little bit longer. Could make us feel a little bit stronger. Oh, ooh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, and you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead compare myself to her. But I'm like no other, so why do I bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, guess the door to now. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. God knows we tried. Yeah. Our time is up.
Now let's get a closer look. The God is my refuge and my strength. That came from the Dollar Tree. That white bunny came from the Target dollar spot years ago, and the carrot from Dollar Tree. Now this sign, I've had this for years, and for the life of me, I can't remember where I got it from. Now the pink mug came from my daughter, and the carrots inside came from Dollar Tree. The apples, the houses on the bottom layer, they all came from the Dollar Tree. I bought them a few years back, along with the beads. They came from the Dollar Tree as well a few years back. This stuff is what I had in my stash, guys. I'm trying to do as many no spins as I can. Everything on here was already in my stash. So tell me what you think about my tier tray for spring. Let me know down below. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.